FIRST Robotics is an international program for elementary through high school age students. FIRST, for inspiration and recognition of science and technology, was created by Dean Kamen, inventor of the Segway, to get students involved in engineering and math by building robots to compete against each other. Cedar Park Robotics 3663 participates in one of the high school programs, designing, building, and programming a 150-pound robot to play a game. The game objective changes every year and is announced at the beginning of the build season in January. This is us. Our bumpers always have our team number 3663 on them. At each district competition, there are generally between 28 and 36 teams. Each team plays 12 qualification matches plus any elimination matches they qualify for. In each match, teams are put with two other teams to form a three-team alliance, which competes against another three-team alliance. The 6 teams compete, and then the alliances are shuffled for the next match, so each team competes with and against most teams at the competition. The top 8 teams get to choose 2 teams to join them permanently in the elimination rounds. The competition in 2014 was aerial assist. The goal was to transport the ball the length of the 54-foot field and score in either the low or the high goals. Alliances earn more points by passing the ball to their teammates before scoring. Additional points were earned by shooting the ball over the center truss and catching it. Now a little about our team. Cedar Park Robotics, CPR, was founded in 2011. We have grown much over the past 4 years, and our students have learned about everything from physics to programming to marketing and more in that time. During the 6-week build season, our students, with the help of our mentors, designed and built our robot at our build site in one of our mentors' garages. A group of students met at a different mentor's house in order to program their robot using Java. Our drive team practiced in order to give our drivers as much experience as they could get before competition. In our second competition this year, we placed highly enough to choose our teammates for the elimination rounds.
Team 3663 would like to invite 2147 to our lines.
We proceeded to defeat our opponents in 2 rounds of the elimination matches and made it to the finals. The elimination rounds are best 2 out of 3, and though we placed second overall, we won our first ever match in the finals and beat a previously undefeated team. With our success, we qualified for the district championship competition in Portland, Oregon. We competed very well there and left with wonderful memories of a job well done. We are already looking forward to the summer and the projects we will undertake. There are already plans in the works for classes this summer covering programming, statics and dynamics, and CAD. We are also preparing for the all-girls competition that will be held in October. Many of our alumni have gone on to pursue careers in engineering, math, science, and technology. Our graduates have received $105,000 in scholarships in the past 3 years. Furthermore, several of our alumni have returned as mentors on the team. These 3 and many more are doing what they can to give back to the team that gave them such a great experience and prepared them for college, internships, and future careers. Our team looks forward to the future as we continue to enable our students to achieve something greater than themselves. The challenges presented by FIRST will continue to stretch our minds, teach us to work as a team, and prepare us for the future. This is FIRST, and we are Cedar Park Robotics Team 3663.